Hello, everyone. Welcome to Maggie's World. Um, this is crazy. This is really crazy. Here I am dealing with noisy neighbors. They're very, very noisy. Here I am trying to do videos about other things, and I can't do my videos where I want to do my videos because I have some noisy, blank neighbors. Okay? These neighbors don't have no consideration for other people. They honestly don't. Why these landlords let these tenants move in here and knowing that they're going to disturb the neighbors? I don't know why. But just like I pay rent just like they do, I deserve some respect. And obviously I'm not getting it from my neighbors. And I know for a fact y'all can hear that noise in the background. I know y'all can hear it. No. They must have turned it off because the neighbors probably start complaining. Or somebody probably called the cops about their music. If you want to listen to your music, there's a way you listen to your music. You don't have to listen to it that loud. Nobody do. I have some noisy neighbors who are very noisy, and sometimes it's hard to think. It's hard to actually sit down and hear yourself think because they got this loud music playing. Okay, I was just on Facebook this now, and then Facebook sent me a damn message or whatever, or some type of blocking message, whatever, due to the loud noise in the background. This is ridiculous, and I have been trying to move out of here since 2017. But it's this agency that's basically keeping me from moving forward, and that is this agency called JASA. Okay, they keep me from moving forward because I could have been out of here. I could have been out of here last year. I could have been out of here last year. But since um since we can't get rid of JASA, the agency, we can't move nowhere because they don't want my daughter to move nowhere. And I've been trying to tell people this daggone mess. I'm not gonna mention the person's name, but I've been trying to tell this person and everybody else the same daggone exact thing. Me and my daughter's trying to move. If I go ahead and move with her, whatever, then they'll have an APD out on me. Try to have me locked up for moving with my daughter. My daughter, who I basically carried for actually 8.5 months, ain't gonna tell me what to do with my child. Y'all gonna tell me what to do with mine? Like, come on, seriously. And then I gotta deal with these buttholes, okay, upstairs above me. I gotta deal with these daggone buttholes. Playing loud music, I mean. These neighbors are disrespectful. They have no respect for for other people in the daggone building. They have no regards or nothing for other people. And to me, that's sad because if you got neighbors, there's a thing called show some daggone respect for once. It's like for once in your miserable life, show some respect for other people. They don't have that. They don't have no type of respect for nobody. If that ain't sad, I don't know what the hell is. But at this point, they have no respect, no disregards for no one. Period. If they did, then they were not making other neighbors suffer with their loud noises. And I'm gonna make sure the landlord knows about this before I write him a letter. I'm gonna make sure he knows all about this mess here with the neighbors. I'm on here trying to do a video, and I'm pretty sure y'all heard for yourself. But they turning it off for now, probably because the cops probably came. If you go off state and do that mess off state, a cop is locking you up. They're not going to talk. If you're disturbing the peace of state New York, they're going to immediately arrest you. But these a-holes don't care. They don't care about other people underneath them. They have no consideration for nobody else. And the world we living in is sad. Nobody care about nobody but self. All they care about is for themselves. They don't care about nobody else. They actually don't. They do not care about nobody else but themselves. Oh, as long as they can listen to music, this, that, the third, all that's all good. But then still, what about anybody else? What about anybody else's peace of mind? No, they don't think about that. It's a thing called use your Bluetooth headphones if you have one. Get you a couple of Bluetooth headphones. That way you don't have to disturb anybody else. You understand what I'm saying? This is what I gotta do day in, day out. Oh, go check on your neighbors. Y'all really want to know how I really feel about my neighbors. Y'all really don't want to know how I really feel about my damn neighbors. I feel like that they're neighbors from blank. Neighbors from blank. Y'all fill in the blanks. Because there's certain things I can't say on you. This is certain things I can't say on YouTube. But again, welcome to Maggie's World. Maggie's World, who has to deal with these noisy neighbors. It's a shame. And y'all heard for yourself. If they moved their behinds upstate New York, then cops will be making their daggone arrests. They would not want to be talk. Cops out here don't do nothing. That's no one I'm trying to move. People be out here making a whole lot of daggone noise. The kids was up there making a whole lot of noise yesterday. Like, if you can't control your kids, what's the point of having them? It don't make sense. You have neighbors, show some damn freaking consideration. At least. Show some consideration for your neighbors. You don't know if your neighbor listens to music or not. You don't know that. I could be sitting here watching a daggone movie on Netflix. Or I could be sitting here watching a daggone series called Wednesday. And they still playing loud music. It's like there's no peace here. No peace. At all. There is no peace in this house. But now they got their music off for now. Because they're probably watching my daggone video. And I hope they are. There's no peace in this building. People run in and out the daggone building each and every daggone time. It's all day, every day. Okay? Each every time, each every daggone day. Okay? People walking in and out, 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 in and out. Then you have some people that come in the building that don't even have a daggone key to get in. Like, really? Like, come on. I'm sitting here trying to do a video on Facebook. I can't do a video on Facebook because their music too loud. I can sit here trying to do a video on Instagram. Can't do a video on Instagram because the music's too loud. Now, I can play music on this site called Up Live and Live Me. Yeah, I can play music on there. But when it comes to Instagram, Facebook, come on. YouTube. If there's music in the, if there's music in the if there's music in the background playing, it's disrespectful to social media. Think about it. These people knuckleheads don't have no considerations for others. And it's sad. It's sad how this world could be so evil. No love for nobody else. None whatsoever. And you're trying to do a video, a decent video, whatever, you can't do a video. Or if you're trying to do a video on Facebook, then you can get a notification. You try to do a video on Instagram, and just that the third, whatever, you're going to get a notification. If you try to do a video and there's noise in the background, you're going to get a notification. Or you're going to get a couple of strikes from YouTube. Like I said, the music is not coming from me, it's coming from my neighbors. Goes to show you how disrespectful my neighbors are. I don't disrespect them. I don't bother them. My daughter don't disrespect them. My daughter don't bother them. But they bother us with their loud music. Each and every time. They bother us each and every time with their loud, daggone music. It's crazy. But the minute I actually go off this daggone off this daggone video here, whatever, they're gonna start right back up. They're gonna start right back up. You call the cops, the cops come and ask them to keep the music down, whatever. Yeah, as soon as the cops leave, they're gonna turn right back up. That's how you people, that's how they are. They have no consideration for nobody else. They don't. They honestly don't have no type of daggone considerations for nobody else. And that is sad. But they want you to daggone respect them. But they want to respect you. They don't want to respect you, but they expect you to give them respect. But how about this? How about this thing called you give respect or to receive respect? That's how it goes. It goes both ways. You can't have it just one way. You cannot have it just one way. My neighbors are very disrespectful. I complained to the landlord numerous of times about these dang loud noise neighbors. This is why Maggie stayed at her side. Look, they're starting up again. They gotta turn it down, but they're there, but they're about to turn it up. They're starting back up again. The music is too loud. I can't even hear myself think half the time. I really can't. This is crazy. This don't make no sense. It really don't. It don't make no type of sense whatsoever. It just don't. It's like you can't even have peace of mind without these daggone noisy, uh, noisy blank neighbors. Y'all fill in the blanks. I don't bother nobody. My daughter don't bother nobody. We stay ourselves. And the last thing we need is for somebody to actually be playing they loud daggone music. Like we want to hear that crap. We don't want to hear it. It's a thing called keep your music to yourself. You want to see your music, whatever, use your damn Bluetooth headphones or turn the damn mess down. Everybody don't want to see your music. And if they're watching this, I want them to know this. Don't nobody want to listen to your daggone music. The heavy music up blasted, this, that, the dirt, whatever, is annoying to neighbors. It's annoying to others.
Hey, Mommy, can I help you cook the burgers?
Can you see me doing a video?
I know, but I want to help you do the burgers.
Did you see me doing a video?
Can I help you do the burgers?
Did you see me doing the video?
Can I help you do the burgers?
Did you see me doing the video?
Can I help you do the
Did you see me doing the videos?
I said burgers.
Did you see me doing the videos? I'll be with you in a minute. As I was saying, as I was really interrupted. As I was really interrupted by my. Anyways, like I was saying before, okay, these neighbors, like I said, they got to go. They honestly have to go. Either they go or I go. I can't take it no more. I can't take the noise. I can no longer take it no more. Enough's enough. Enough is enough. Nobody want to be around the loud noises. They turn the music on. No, they turn the music back on, but they gotta turn it down because they probably watching my daggone video. Respect is due to a damn normal dog. You want to see your music? Fine. You want to listen to loud music? Go outside, listen to it. Go outside. Go disturb somebody else's neighborhood. Don't come on now. Why you want to disturb the peace? I don't get it. It is so much daggone things in this world. People by people that can't get along. And the reason why a lot of us cannot get along because it's a lack of the disrespect. Seriously. It's a lack of the dang disrespect that a lot of us get from our neighbors. Now you want to turn the music down? Why you want to turn it down now? I'm trying to do a video and y'all being disrespectful. Hey, come on, really? Come on. Come on. Like, seriously. Like, seriously. You want to disrespect neighbors, or you want to disrespect, I see you, or you want to disrespect folks who are basically trying to do their own thing, trying to do their own videos and stuff like that, whatever, and you have these daggone disrespectful, excuse my French, y'all, I'm sorry I gotta say this, disrespectful ass neighbors that don't have no consideration for other people. If I was a landlord, I would kick their behinds out myself. I wouldn't care where the hell they got to go, but they had to get the heck up out of here. Respect is due to a daggone dog. If you can't respect a dog, who can you respect? I mean, come on now, y'all follow me here? Respect is due to a dog, and a lot of these daggone neighbors in here don't have no respect for other people. And it's sad. It's honestly sad. But I'm gonna get out of here, y'all. Comment down below. Let me know what y'all think about the situation. And yeah, it's crazy. So comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about this situation I'm talking about these noisy neighbors, whatever. It's a word about me. I want to say my neighbors. Yeah, starts with the H, ends with the E. Y'all know what it means. I don't want to say the whole thing on here because I don't want to actually get no notification from YouTube. So I gotta choose my words wisely. Okay. And yeah, so y'all want y'all to comment down below. Let me know what y'all think. Like, comment, subscribe, press the notification bell down below, and every time I post, whatever, y'all be notified. So this gonna be called Neighbors from Blank. I'm gonna put it down below about what this video is about. Okay. It's not, and even though the H word is, it's a very ugly word, but what can you do?